Hey guys, I'm in a new spot today. I'm in Massachusetts. Just checking it out for the first time. Looks pretty good. That section up there looks really good. I think I'll just do a few drifts in here, right in here. Down there looks good. Maybe I'll start down there first. Alright, guess I'll start down here. See some lines stuck in the tree over there. Curious what the water temp is. Kind of cold. This is probably going to be smallies. That's my guess. Oh, I think I had a bite. Definitely something's biting it. Got one. It's a little smallie. Oh, got off. Yep, it's a smallie. Got one. Same smallie again. Oh, got off again. What the heck? And that was like the same fish. Alright, I'm gonna go down by this foam line, or foam stuff down here. I'm a little worried that the hook that I have on is got some problems because these fish keep getting off. Oh, got one. And it got off. Alright, I better check the hook. What's up with this hook? Looks okay. Oh, got one. It's got to be a little smallie again. Or, oh, got off. Man, I might have to switch flies. I don't know what's going on here. I got the old olive bugger on. Oh, first cast. Let's see. Got one. Smallie again. Oh, it's pretty clear that I'm going to be getting smallies only out of here, which is fine. Water's still troutable though. Oh, I got one. trying to leave. Oh gosh, it swallowed it. Oh man. Phew. Rescued. Oh wait. Oh no. Okay. Oh, it gets real deep right here. Oh! Just went to pull in the line. Hope it didn't swallow it. Come on. Whoa. Come on. Whoa. Alright, let's see. Got him. One more cast. Water's nice and cold. There we go. That's where I wanted to be. Oh, they're not a big fish right there. I am shocked. Oh. Oh, good, I lost him. I gotta go. Alright, that was fun, guys. See you next time.